happy new year. It's been a while. I haven't sit here and do a sit down video for you guys. I can't remember the last time I did a sit down video for you guys. I miss doing this type of video. This is my favorite part of filming, just sit down and talk to you guys, which I do love vlogging. I hope you so far having a beautiful 2021, and let's just get started. It is wow, Physician Formula Organic Wear. Is silk foundation, and it is not a heavy foundation. This one right here, I cannot pronounce that. I think it called Physician Formula or Organic Wear. I wanted to give it a try because I never used that, and it is not like a heavy foundation. I'm gonna apply that with my Makeup Geek Kabuki foundation brush. I'm just gonna apply it, and then I'm just gonna blend it with my beauty sponge, which is pretty dirty because I wear makeup yesterday. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. I'm just gonna go ahead and it's cold. Apply that. So if you see me looking down, I have a mirror right here because, you know, yeah, I'm pretty far and I cannot really see. I mean, I could see myself, but not, and it's very small, so I cannot see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to use this and apply this all over my face. Now it's starting to look so pasty, but that's okay because I'm going to blend it in like I always do, and it will turn out like nothing happened. Foundation always tend to do that unless you're using like a very dark foundation. We always tend to do that, and then the lighting, it doesn't help that much, even though I have my ring light. So I'm just gonna go now and blend everything with my Morphe sponge. After I blend my whole entire face, I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer under my eye. Nothing crazy because it's just a simple makeup. It's just a very simple and natural, if you want to call it natural, for the bags or dark circle. Go ahead and apply my powder, and this one is by Bare Mineral, the original, and the color is golden medium. I really love this powder, and it looks like it's actually, I still have quite a good amount. I haven't seen my last post because see, I don't know if this video that I'm filming now doing my makeup is gonna go up first, or my what's in my gym bag is gonna go first. It just all depends which one I upload first. I'm wearing the same outfit, so because I filmed both of the video the same day, you know, as soon as I finish, because I wanted to do this makeup with you guys since people always ask. I want to go ahead and show you guys like a quick video. Plus, I haven't done my makeup, a sit down makeup for you guys, so I just want to go ahead and do that. So right now, everything I'm going to use is just going to be on this palette. And don't mind it is dirty. This is something that I use every single time I wear makeup. And whenever I go traveling or out of town, whatever, this is what I take. Look how nasty it is. And I clean it all the time with alcohol, but it just go back to this. This one is Effin Cosmetic Contour Blush Kit. Look how dirty it is. I hit pan on that one because that's how much I use it. I gotta see if they sell this separate, because I would hate to buy the whole entire thing because everything is full. So I just contour my face a little bit just to give me a color and cover my redness over here, you know, this part over here that it gets red. Even though I put blush, so I don't know why I put blush if my face is gonna turn red. That is a good question, right? I'm gonna go and use this blush right here. And then I just blend everything with the same brush I use for my powder. Gonna go ahead and do my brows, and I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this part because it's pretty boring doing I mean, I don't even like to do my eyebrows, so we're just gonna go ahead and skip that and jump to the next. Voila, all done. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows and you want a separate video for my eyebrows, a tutorial, just comment below and let me know if you would like to see of how I do my eyebrows, and I will do a whole separate video for my eyebrows because I think eyebrow takes a little time. Next is going to be my mascara. So I'm just gonna put all this stuff. I put everything on my description box with a link. If I find the link, it will be easier for you guys to find it. And next is gonna be a listy, and this is the one I'm going to use. This is another of my favorite one. I should have done 2020 favors. I just didn't thought about that. I feel like those videos, even though they're very popular in other channels, it's not very popular on my channel. For some reason, nobody likes to watch those videos. And they're very popular because I love watching favors video or hauls because it gives me an idea what to get. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is very simple and natural in some type of way because natural is not wearing no makeup, but this is more natural. No eyeshadow, no eyelashes, not too much, you know, just very simple. This is the type of makeup when I go to the gym, this is what I wear. I tend to wear. The listy might change. It might be a pink listy or maybe like a more brownish mauve. But please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell to get a notification every time I post a video. Please comment down below, hit like and share my videos, and till next time, love you guys.